Hi guys, welcome back. We've got a new project in, another 110. It's got a V8 in it. We're going to be doing a little bit of work on it, changing the intake setup. Possibly we've got low compression on one cylinder, maybe a partial rebuild. We'll let you know on that as we go. A bit of paint work. We're going to have a new bulkhead going in, a galvanised one, because although repairable, the rust has just made its way through too much. Another heated window in it. Another lovely upgrade. New door bottoms. Changing the handle arrangements. Got some new seats in. This is more like a refurbishment rather than a big build, but it's a lovely looking V8 pickup, so I thought I'd show you. Also, we have a new member of staff helping us on this one. Is Zach.
Hello guys.
And we've got Steve here, of course, running away.
How we doing?
Yeah, a few bits and bobs. We'll show you as we go along. Cheers, guys.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
What we're going to be doing today is taking the front end to pieces. We're going to be taking the wings, the inner wings, all apart. We're going to leave the radiator, all the electrics still attached because we want to leave it running so we can do a compression test. So we're going to do a little time lapse for that. Hope you enjoy.
Okay, that's all stripped out. You can see why we're changing the bulkhead. It's quite a bit of rust, not only the surface rust that's biting in up here. There's a lot of rust down here too. So just as well change it. Right, next up, compression test. We'll do a little video of that. That'll be our next video. Hope to see you there.